If you've kept up with AI in the news, you know it's impacting just about every industry and profession. It's definitely changing the way we work, but I still don't think it'll be taking over anytime soon. Like many photographers, I've been testing things here and there to see what it can really do. A few months ago, I asked ChatGPT to write me some jokes to tell my clients. The results were a joke. More recently, I had another perfect AI test scenario here in my headshot studio. A client came in for a headshot for his law firm. He was sporting a spiffy shirt and tie and suit jacket, and shorts. He thought he just needed a headshot, but the specs required a 3/4 vertical portrait. The term headshot is used rather generally these days, because often, for a variety of marketing reasons, your headshot might be closer to something like this, a waist-up portrait, than a tight shoulders-up headshot crop. Side note, if you're not already, be thinking about your headshot as a marketing asset. A good marketing asset needs to be used in all sorts of spaces and page layouts. That's why larger organizations tend to have multiple format requirements for headshots. It's also why big brands have multiple logos for different uses. So after we had a good laugh about the problem at hand, we had to figure out what to do next. He certainly didn't want to have to come back for a reshoot, and I'd rather not spend the time on a reshoot. I decided to shoot the full-length image per the specs and try Photoshop's new AI generative fill features to add matching suit pants. Seems simple enough, right? If Photoshop can swap out clothing, then surely stylists, photographers, and others within the fashion industry should be worried, right? You know what I'm worried about right now? It's that you might not be subscribed to my channel. If you're not, hit that subscribe button. Thanks. It really does help. Rest assured, the AI results were less than spectacular. We're starting with a very static, well-lit objective portrait. And all the variations that Photoshop generated were clearly trying to force some other image into mine. It messed up his hands. AI really struggles with people details. It makes stuff up when it doesn't know what to do, just like ChatGPT. It changes the pose, even screws up his feet. And it added some vague accessories in his hands. The AI doesn't even understand basic men's fashion norms, which, let's face it, if men can figure it out, a computer should be able to handle it too. I'd call this test an epic failure of a very practical use case. Could I have done something differently to get a better result? Maybe so. If you know, sound off in the comments. But this is the problem with AI. My clients hire me because they want a consistent, polished set of images for their teams. Everyone must look their best. It's these very people that clients are paying lots of money to work with. And they expect me to produce these results efficiently. Efficiency and consistency are the last things you're going to get when you enlist AI in a problem like this. So next time, save yourself and your photographer a bunch of time and just wear matching pants to your headshot session. Thanks for watching, and unless AI gets rid of me first, I'll see you next time.